How to reset App Store balance to 00. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to empty the balance of your App Store, firstly go to Settings and tap on your name. Scroll down and sign out from your Apple ID by entering your password and sign in again with another Apple ID and check if it is fixed. If not, go to your preferred browser and search for support.apple.com. Tap on the device you are currently using. I will click on iPhone. Scroll down until you see the Get Support option. If you want, you can also download the support app and repeat the process there too. I will click on Start Now under Get Support. Depending on your country or region, you will get the option of directly calling or chatting with Apple support. Click on the option that is available for you and go ahead and describe your problem and your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.